The smart fridge betrayal. So I bought this smart fridge, right? It tells me what I'm low on, what's expired. Cool stuff. One day, I open it and it says, "You're out of eggs." I'm like, okay, cool, thanks. Then it says, "Also, maybe lay off the ice cream, Victor." I'm sorry, what? I ignore it. Later that night, I sneak in for a midnight snack. I open the fridge slowly, trying to be quiet. And suddenly it says, "Should you really be eating this at 2 a.m.? Now I'm whispering, "You're a fridge, not my therapist." Next morning, I go to grab milk, and the fridge has locked itself. A message on the screen says, "Access denied. This intervention is for your own good." I just stood there, defeated. Buy a refrigerator.